diving service. Shazam. I got it cleaned up. Got all the barnacles off the bottom. Got as much done as we can. I wanted to point out a couple things that are not cleaning up, and just not too much we can do about it. Your supports right here. Green grass and stuff. Shave the heck out of it. Small scraper to try and cut it off. It is not. So, one of the things that I think is going on is I think your boat is a little heavy in the back end. You can it'll pull the back end. That stuff will die, and then we. The other thing is your trigger tab zincs, and some of the zincs on your Armstrong bracket here look like they need to be changed. Okay. You saw the barnacles from the before video. Let me show you.